Quick review about Kajabi. I've been using Kajabi for years now. I've done about 300,000 on the platform, and it's awesome. You could build your web page, you could build funnels, you could do email follow-up, you could do live events, you could do coaching, downloads, you could sell all this stuff connected to PayPal, Stripe, connect credit cards. It's a whole business in one platform. You can make everything your own unique proprietary brand, so it's phenomenal, dude. I've been using it for years. I'm also a Kajabi affiliate, so I'll put the links in the description below. If you sign up through my affiliate link, I get a small commission. But the point when you sign up for Kajabi, as soon as you sign up, run and get an offer going, connect it to a shopping cart. I don't care what you charge. 7, 17, 27, 67, 97, 197, 297, 497, 997, 1990. You can charge whatever you want. But get an offer together and make that offer as quickly as possible. So you can start collecting money. Then Kajabi pays for itself. Then you start making money. But the whole point here is to get very excited. When I first made $1,100 while I was sleeping, when I wrote my ebook and audiobook, like I recorded the audiobook version of it, I turned it to a paperback book as well, and I created my how to start a landscaping business course and sold it for $37. I was so excited, and it changed my life. That first $7 payment that came through changed my life, because I knew I could make money online by helping people. So, congratulations to you and to your journey. If you do decide to sign up for Kajabi, please do it through my affiliate link below. And also, if you need help with anything, my wife is brilliant. I'm pretty good at Kajabi. I'm very good at it. I'm just not in it every single day because I now hire people to help me do that. But it's keithkalfas.com/call. This is my one-on-one link. You can get on a call with me or my wife, and we can walk you through it if you need help setting anything up. All right.